Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this beautiful wedding guest makeup look. This is an easy look to achieve. Even a beginner can easily create this look. Now let's get started with skin preparation first. I'm using the plum toner. Then I'll be using the vitamin C face cream from Momsco. This is very nice and hydrating. Following up with I'm using an under eye cream from Mama Earth, and I'll be using baby lips to hydrate my lips. I've also used a primer which I have not recorded here, but I used the Sugar Cosmetics hydrating primer. So yeah, I'm done with my skincare. Now let's get started with orange correction, for which I'm using a blush, cream blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral. So I'm using this on the areas where I see pigmentation. I'm also using this on my dark circles as well. Yes, so after this, I will be blending this with my finger. I love using my fingers to blend out with cream products, but if you want, you can use a beauty blender or a brush, whatever you're comfortable with, you can use that. So after blending this out, I will be done with my color correction. I'm not over blending this product, so yeah, I'm done with my color correction. I don't know what I'm so happy about, but yeah, I'm using this HD foundation from LA Girl in the shade Bronze. This is a very high coverage foundation. I felt this foundation was a little light on my skin tone. Yeah, so I'll be just using Maybelline Fit Me 338 Spicy Brown, a darker shade, and mixing with this foundation to create my shade of foundation. And I'm blending this off with a beauty blender. Any excess product will be taken away from the beauty blender. Now I will start using a concealer. For concealer, I will be using the LA Girl HD concealer. This is also a very high coverage concealer, and I'm using this with a beauty blender. You will be able to see the difference now. This is a very good product. So yeah, after blending this with the concealer, now I will be doing the same on the other eye as well and blending this out really well. I'm not taking the product directly very close to my eyes. I'm taking the product little by little and blending it all the way up. And then I will be using the Swiss Beauty palette using a light brown shade, and I'm just defining my crease with this. I'm also focusing on the outer corner more because I need a depth there. Now using this shade with a flat brush, I'm just going to apply it on the eyeball. The pigmentation is very less, so let's use a makeup hack. I'm just using a setting spray on my flat brush, and now I will be picking up the shine again and applying it on my eyeball, and you can see it looks lovely, isn't it? Okay, for eyeliner, I'm using the Sketch eyeliner from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going with a very thin eyeliner, very thin and basic eyeliner. Like I said, this is a makeup look for beginners as well. Setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 30 Deep. I'm using this all over my face, under my eyes, mouth area, and I'm setting this really well. Now I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Vivid Victory 02 for contour, blush and highlight. First, I'm starting with the contour. So I'm using a blush brush only to contour. I will be contouring on the lowest points of my cheekbone and blending it out using the blush, and then I will be using the same blush on the other side of the cheek as well. I'm blending the blush with the contour and applying it a little bit on my nose as well because I like doing that. For highlighter, I will be using the highlighter on the highest points of my cheekbone. I will be doing the same on the other side of the face as well, and I'm blending this really well. Now next I will be using the highlighter only on the tip and the start of the nose. I don't want like a full stroke on the nose, so I'll just be using this in the tip and the start of the nose. Also using this on my Cupid's bow, and yeah, that's about it. I will be making a full video on how to contour, blush and highlight, so stay tuned. Now I'm using this Huda Beauty sample size mascara again. I am really obsessed with this mascara. Although this is very expensive, it is very, guys, it will give you a effect like you applied lashes. Can you see that? It is just uplifting your natural lashes so well. So I'm doing the same on the other side as well. Now I'm just filling in my eyebrows, and then I will be using this Inside Cosmetics Joyful shade, and I'm using this all over my lip. I haven't used any lip liner. I'm directly using this lipstick. This lipstick is, I think, very reasonable and very good. So yeah, you can give this lipstick a shot. Now after finishing the lipstick, that is it. We are done with the look. Love my videos. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. Until then, take care.